Sophia, can you write I feel? And then we can fill it in. And then, so how do you feel right now? I'm gonna write what you. Oh, you.
I'm gonna use this one.
Okay.
I feel happy.
Can you write? Love it.
We are here today with our parenting education programs and one of our parenting education classes. So the program is designed for parents and children to really just come and grow and connect, to build healthy relationships with one another. So it's an opportunity for them to come, learn, discuss together, and for our in-person classes, of course, and really just to build more healthy relationships with one another.
Tonight we are here because we are honoring our Hispanic families that are finishing the 5 to 11 Spanish classes. I think it's very important that our Hispanic community know that the Fairfax County has this program, and that is free, that they can reach to us and just be part of it. They're gonna learn a lot of new stuff, and that is gonna be good for their families.
I joined the program because I was looking for some resources to help my daughter. I'm a single mom, so to help my daughter with this empty of not having a dad. And I get in contact with Miss Erica, and then I knew about the course and I enrolled.
So tonight, all the participants that complete all the classes are gonna receive a certificate. Also, we are gonna just give some little presents for them, for the families to take with them. We try to, understand where they coming from, where one of the main issues that these families have.
So our programs range from 10 to 16 weeks, depending on which class that you take. And our classes, they're taught in English and in Spanish. Anybody can join a parenting education class. The only requirements of being a part of our parenting education classes is, one, being a parent or caregiver, and being a part of a resident of Fairfax County.
I'm so grateful. I'm so happy that Fairfax County, they do this stuff for families. Everybody who can make it, they should come and take it.
So if you're interested in being part of one of our parenting classes, please reach out to us online or call our parent support line, which is open from 8 to 4:30, Monday through Friday. And that number is 703-324-7720.